how to open a durian.
Is it this way?
Or this way? I would like to show you how to open durian. Usually the durian has lines as shown in the following figure, and all of the line joins to one point. Use a cloth to hold the durian and cut off the stem to make the durian easier to handle. Flip the durian stem side down and place the knife directly at the center of the point. Push down until the knife enters. Twist the knife back and forth. The seams will probably rupture. Put the knife down and grasp two sides of the durian with your fingers inside the opening. Pull the durian in half using force. This part can take some serious effort. If it's too difficult, cut along the seams to the stem and then use your hands again. You need to open the remaining sections. Place both hands, fingers facing outward and palms inside the smooth white pods on either side of the durian on the end farthest from the stem. Lock your elbows and push down using your body weight to split the pod open. Let's go to Balik Pulau to eat durian. Balik Pulau is a town within the city of Georgetown in the Malaysian state of Penang. Located at the southwest of Penang Island, it is also the administrative center of the Southwest Penang Island District. The agricultural town of Balik Pulau was established in 1794 by the British East India Company. To this day, the economy of Balik Pulau still relies heavily on agriculture. Penang's most famous produce, including nutmeg, cloves and durians, are grown and harvested in the town. These have also contributed to the town's growing tourism sector. Balik Pulau's reputation for its wide variety of durians, for instance, attracts hordes of tourists between May and August each year.